Let me ask you a question. Are you a better investor than a robot? You might think so, but the data says you're probably wrong. Let me show you exactly what I mean with a quick story about an investor named Dave. When the market got scary a few years back, Dave did what most of us would do. He freaked out. But Unit 734, our robot investor, has no feelings. It saw the exact same crash and just thought, everything is on sale. It started buying. Guess who ended up with a bigger pile of cash? This isn't a fairy tale. This is happening right now in your world. Right now, over 1/3 of all the money in the stock market is controlled by AI. We're talking trillions of dollars. So, should you just let a robot handle your money? Not so fast. There's a hidden flaw that can make them fail big time. But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you're getting my super simple 3-question checklist to see if AI investing is your next big win or a huge mistake. Let's make this ridiculously simple. Imagine a company is a giant pizza. Buying a stock just means you own a piece of that pizza. You're a part owner. And a share? That's just a single slice. If the whole pizza has 10 slices and you buy 5 of them, you own half the company. So how does an AI know which pizza slice to buy? It scans everything. News headlines, company reports, even social media comments to see if people love or hate a product. It's like having a super brain that reads the entire internet. This AI brain comes in 3 main flavors. First, Quant funds. These are the big league billion-dollar funds that use supercomputers for high-frequency trading. They're not for us, but they're a huge part of the market. Second, Robo-advisors. These are the apps you've probably heard of. You say, I want to save for a house, and the robot builds a custom investment plan for you. It's set it and forget it simple. And third, AI ETFs. An ETF is just a pizza box that holds a bunch of different company slices. An AI ETF is a special box filled with slices from all the top robot and tech companies, letting you invest in the whole AI revolution with one click. So let's talk about what this really means for your wallet. It comes down to 2 powerful human emotions, greed and fear. Let's start with greed. This is the fun part. A robot's cold logic can lead to incredible gains. For example, take a real AI-powered ETF like AIQ. If you had put just $1,000 into it at the start of its run a few years ago, that single investment could have turned into over $4,000 today. Or look at the companies inside these ETFs. If you'd put that same $1,000 into NVIDIA, the company that makes the computer chips for AI, just 5 years ago, you'd be sitting on over $15,000 today. That's the life-changing power of this technology. But what about fear? Remember the flash crash of 2010? The market dropped 9% in minutes because thousands of trading robots all got the same bad idea at the same time and started panic selling to each other. This is the garbage in, garbage out problem. If an AI is fed bad data, it will follow those bad instructions perfectly and can lose money faster than any human alive. Okay, you're excited. But before you do anything, you need to know the 3 biggest mistakes that new investors make. Avoid these at all costs. Mistake number 1, FOMO buying. You see a stock that has already gone up a ton, and you jump in at the very top because you're afraid of missing out. This is a classic trap. Don't chase a rocket that has already left the launch pad. Mistake number 2, not understanding what you own. Don't just buy an AI ETF because it has AI in the name. Take 2 minutes to look up what companies are actually inside that pizza box. You might be surprised. Mistake number 3, panic selling. The market will go down. It's a guarantee. Your AI investment will have bad days. The worst thing you can do is panic and sell at the bottom, just like Dave in our story. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Okay, so you know what to avoid. How does a normal person actually start? It's easier than ordering a pizza. 3 steps. Step 1. Get the app. You need a place to buy your stocks, called a brokerage. There are tons of easy-to-use apps out there. Find one you like and set up an account. Step 2. Find your AI pizza box. Once you're in the app, use the search bar and type in AI ETF. You'll see a list with 4-letter codes like BOTZ or AIQ. These are the different brands of AI investments. Step 3. Start with just one slice. Do not put all your money in at once. You can often buy a fractional share for just a few dollars to get your feet wet and see how it feels. Okay, now that you know how to start, let's figure out if you should. Time for our final checklist. Answer honestly. Question 1. Are you a gardener or a gambler? A gambler wants to hit the jackpot tonight. A gardener plants a tiny seed and has the patience to watch it grow into a giant tree over many years. AI investing is for gardeners. Question 2. Are you an explorer or a tourist? A tourist sticks to the safe path. An explorer loves venturing into exciting new territory, even if it's unpredictable. AII is a new world. It's for explorers. And question 3. Is this the whole meal or just the dessert? You wouldn't eat only cake for dinner, right? AI should be the exciting dessert for your portfolio, not the whole meal. So, how did you do? If you're a gardener, an explorer, and you're just looking for some dessert for your portfolio, then congratulations. AI investing might be a great adventure for you. The world of investing is changing faster than ever. AI isn't a future trend. It's here now. Ignoring it isn't an option, but jumping in blindly is even worse. Understanding these basics is the most powerful tool you have. The future is here, but you are still the one in control of your money. If this video helped you understand this crazy new world, do me a solid and tap that like button. And I'm really curious. Comment below with your 3 answers. My next video is Top AI ETFs to buy in 2025, Massive Growth Ahead. If you want to see that, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay curious.